Hi, my name's Suzy. I'm with TEI Spa, and today, well, actually first, let me welcome you to my bathroom. Let's see how clean this guy is. Not bad. It's a normal bathroom. Anyways, today I want to talk to you guys about TEI Spa's high frequency tool. It's a beauty tool that is portable, and if you don't know about high frequency, then stay tuned. So most of us, when we think of high frequency, we think of it as just a tool for acne or acne scarring, but actually it does so many other things. It helps with minimizing pores, which who doesn't want that? Come on now. I could definitely use some help. It also is great for product penetration and fine lines and wrinkles. Really, there's so many uses for it, so including it into your everyday regimen is key. High frequency is thermal, so it's heat producing, and it's characterized by a high rate of oscillation. So due to its high rate of oscillation, high frequency actually doesn't contract the muscles. Its sole purpose is to tone the skin that it's being used on. So let's check this bad boy out. It's got different levels. 0 is obviously off, and then we can go up to 3. I'm gonna try it on my hand first so you guys can kind of see how it works and the way that it sounds. If we're gonna add this into our regimen, you know, a lot of people will ask, like, at what point do I add the OxyDerm? You know, do I do it before I put cleanser on my face? Do I do it after I put moisturizer? So to me, the best way to use it would be after cleansing and exfoliating, and then you can go ahead and kill any bacteria if you have any extractions that you perform during your exfoliation. We'll use it on any problem areas that you have, and then after that we can go ahead and moisturize, and we can use the Oxy Calming Serum that comes with the tool. I love this stuff. It is amazing. So next step is actually trying it, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that with you guys. Let's put this hair back. All right. I'm gonna wash some of this makeup off and see what we do next. I see you guys. I'm actually using, right now, I am loving this cleansing paper with organic herbs. I got a little sample of it, but it has won all kinds of awards, and I'm super excited about it. So this is what it looks like. All you have to do is literally just put it in your hand and add water. And then get to scrubbing. Hi guys, it's me again. As you can see, I have some problem areas on my skin. As soon as the weather changes. Anyhow, so I just washed my face. Next step, nice and dry after I washed it, I'm gonna go ahead and work on my face with the OxyDerm. Go over your whole face. This should usually take only a couple of minutes. If you have any problem areas, like my little spot that I have here, we'll just zap it a couple times and then move on. The sound of the OxyDerm is actually more intimidating than it is anything else. It's a slight tingle with a little bit of heat, what you'll normally feel. As far as the smell of the OxyDerm, usually it'll have a light smell of like when it rains outside, and that'll just basically indicate that it's sanitizing the skin properly. So, like I said, only a couple of minutes, maybe a minute, zap a few of your extra spots, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Oxy Calming Serum on any of those, any spots that have a little bit of redness, or any areas that might be kind of dry. For me, I just kind of use it wherever I use the OxyDerm. And voila! And high frequency can be used on any part of the body. I'm gonna share with you guys my little razor burn. Don't worry, things are gonna get a little bit weird. You guys see the little problem spot I'm having here? It's a little bit of redness. It's just from razor burn. So join me on my adventure of getting rid of my razor burn. And that's the OxyDerm. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed OxyDerming with me and my leg and face. Until next time. Also, really quick, I will be posting the link below and my affiliate code so you can get 10% off when you purchase it because you need it. Bye.